first we need to install this parts. Install the plastic, the packing. Like this way.
那说这你得有个点儿，要不然它都泡了。它这个是加长的，咱们没那么长的。它这个
Okay, this is the first step. We installed this package and also fixed here. Okay, yours is is 15 centimeters, so it should be as long as this way. And this one can fix this nut never out. So the first step we finished. And now the second step is we put the wire, the material. For example, this is the material. We put it here, and which place is the center, and we can check. Next step is we find which space is the center. You can check here has one footer. And now we click the footer. It will like this way, step by step, and from this part we can move this part to find the center of this part. And now we already find the center. Then we can fix the center. How to fix? Remove this part. Open here. Use here and let it to fix by here. And I show you the video. Like this way. Okay, fixed one by one. Okay, and also this part same way, and also this part same way. Fixed. Okay, now we fixed by this part, and the next step is we adjust this turning speed and this rolling speed. How to change? I tell you. You can check this and this part. So this part is used to control the speed of this part. This rotating speed, and this one is used to control here the speed. And now we can test to make this speed is okay. We can change the numbers by here. And for example, I show you the rotating speed. Okay, this speed we know. And now we test this speed. We just click here. This button is this rotation. This rotation is like the clock turning like this, and this one is back returning like this way. So we can try click here. See, it's moving like this way, and we can take let the two speed matched. And now we check the both speed together. This footer can auto run this speed, and this one can manually run this speed. And now we let the both of the speed running together. We click this one. This is running, and we check. See, and you can check if your wire diameter is thicker or is thin. You can change the speed over here, and you can also change here. So this is the third step. Let both of the two speed matched, and that's all. The fourth step, and the fourth step is also the last step, and we need to set. For example, this is the material. We need to set how long time this machine needs to finish this packing. And now, when you click this one auto running, and then we check our time, how much time it spent to finish this packing, and then we set the number there is okay. For example, we let this machine running. See, it's running. For example, go on, running. We checking the time, how much time is spent. Okay. For example, it's finished the one packing, finished here, and then we click stop, and then we check the time, how much time. So for example, it's 13 seconds, and then we need to change here. This is the working time. We need to change here into 13. How to change? Click this one first. Clean set. Go on, and then we can change here. Here is like go on 13, and 13 we change this minus. 13, and this one need to minus again. Okay, it's red, and then we click OK. Then 13 seconds, and in the next, then we can put the next material. Then we click auto. See, 13 minutes, 13 seconds. You can check. 7, 8, See, 13 seconds it will stop automatically. And now there's another button I didn't mention here. This is working. This is auto working. This is auto stop. And this one is just now we say it's like this way. But what's this one? This one is another direction. Now it's like this way. That one is like this way. So another direction. And as to these two we just mentioned, this one is and as these two is to control the direction of this part. So this one you can check when I click here, it's turning like this way. But when I click here, it's turning like this way. So this is all the functions of the button.